able to earn $10 from this particular app called Gemgala. Yes, and if this is your first time hearing about this particular app, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly what this app is all about, how you can make money from this app, and what exactly you need to avoid if you really want to make money from this particular app called Gemgala. And if you already know about this app, but you don't seem to like know how to make use of the app, you don't know what to do in the app, and probably maybe you've not even earned anything from this app called Gemgala, also stick around, because in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to sign up and how to start making money, the different ways that I can use to make money from this app and also how to withdraw your money from Gemgala. Before we get into today's video, I would want you to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because trust me, you're going to come back. A quick video disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I do not guarantee any earnings. Your result is going to depend on your effort and the amount of time you are ready to put into this app to actually make money. So let's actually get started on how to sign up on this particular app called Gemgala. So this is how to make money on this particular app. So once you tap on the link that you're going to be finding, depending on where you're coming from, if you're coming from my WhatsApp group, you're going to be finding the link in the group. But if you're watching this video from YouTube, you're going to be finding the link to download this app on the pinned comments. Just go to the comment section, check the pinned comment and tap on read more. You're going to find the link there, or you check this video description. So once you tap on this link, it's going to take you to an interface like this. All you have to do is tap on download now, and it's going to redirect you to Play Store. So all you just have to do is download this app, you install. So I'm going to end this video here and continue when we are done installing, so it is going to be more faster, and I can show you guys how you can actually make money from this particular app. So our app is on downloading. The next thing that you need to do is just tap on open, and it's going to open up for you. You're going to find something like this. This is basically what you're going to see after downloading the app. Once you open it, you're going to see something like this. And please do not tap on this start, do not tap on this email, and do not tap on this more button. All you just have to do is tap on Google. Once you tap on Google, they're going to bring out the list of emails that you have on your phone, and all you just have to do is pick the particular one that you want to make use of. This interface you're going to see, if you're a female, you tap on female. They said, do you confirm your gender? If the account is registered, the gender cannot be modified. Then you tap on you're a female, but because we're going to tap on male, I am a man, then you tap on complete. Okay, so this particular app does not even have any complex registration process, as long as you make use of the link that you're going to be finding in the pinned comment or in the video description. Okay, so they're going to be giving you 500k coin for registering. Now this is the next thing, guys. Something, this is one proven way to know that yes, your account is safe and you're good to go. Now you can see they said, Stephanie, see, I sent you a message already. Now once you register on this particular app, you're going to be getting a message from me, Stephanie. Now this is just it. Tap on it and they said, we have become friends, come and chat. Can you see? Now this is basically my own account on Gemgala. Okay, so this is my own account on Gemgala, right? So once you see this message, you know that you are on the right track. Then the next thing you ought to do is this: you go back and you go back to your profile. This is how to get your account valid. Okay, you register and you go back to your profile, something like this. You're going to see that you're already following me, which is myself, and I am following back, which is we have now become friends, right? So what do you do next? You scroll down and you tap on profile. This place now where you're seeing this profile icon, this red arrow is pointing at you. Tap on it and it's going to open up something like this for you, right? So what do you do next? You tap on this place where they said face verification. If you can see what they are writing, not verified here, because you need to verify your account. So after registering and you got the message from me, then you go back to your profile, you tap on this face verification. You need to verify your account though. Then these are some things that you need to set. You tap on this personal signature. Once you tap on personal signature, you can just add anything. You can maybe add your name if you want to. You can add let's add, let me just put Stephanie. Okay, let's use Elora. Okay, then you confirm. You've added the personal signature, then your account.
you can see this place. Add your email, the particular email that you use in signing up, be it whatever that you made use of. Just add the email. You can put something like, this is just more like a tutorial video, right? Just add your email like this and tap on send code. They're going to send you a code to your phone. Just go back to your Gmail app, copy the code, paste it here and tap on next, and you've done this one, right? Now the third thing that you need to do to get your account valid on this particular app, then you tap on this face verification. It is very, very important that you verify your account so that whenever you maybe lose the app, you can download it back and just continue with Google and get back your account. Do you understand? So all you just have to do is tap on this not verified. Now they're going to ask you, they said allow Gemgala to take picture and record video. Then you tap on while using this app. And okay, let me show you guys something. Allow Gemgala to record audio while using this app, and then you can then tap on this again and they're going to bring you to this interface. So all you just have to do is put your face in the box. Make sure that your face is showing very clearly inside this box. Right now, they might ask you to open your mouth, turn your head right. Just do it. You understand? And that's just how to get your account verified. So afterwards, once your account is now verified, after doing your face verification and you saw that this place is now showing verified instead of not verified, then you know that you're done with your registration process on this particular app. Then how do you earn? Now this is what people are not telling you, but trust me to tell you how to earn from this particular app. Now the first way to earn is this. Please take note, you cannot withdraw your coin. This 50k coin that you're seeing here, it cannot be withdrawn, but you can use it to play games. If you're good at playing games, you can use it to play games to earn money, right? So the only place you can withdraw is when you tap on this green diamond. As you can see, this is still at 0 because I've not done my face verification. After doing this face verification here, you're going to be getting $1. Do you understand? Now, and you can withdraw this money when it gets to $10, then you can withdraw. But for now, as you can see, this is still at 0 because we've not done anything. So how can you earn from this particular app? The first way to earn is go over to your game section and wait for it to load. Now you play game. Once you complete any level, you are going to be earning $1 for completing any level. So make sure that after registration, at least you play game for like 20 minutes before exiting the app. Just long press on any one that you want to take up. You can add it here. Let's add something. Okay. So this is just basically how to end. All you have to do is just continue. All you have to do is just continue playing this game. You can see it's just simple. There's nothing complex about it. Just make sure that whenever you want to drop a particular one, it matches with whatever you are doing next. And as well, you can as well tap here to like change it. Maybe if you want to add something like this but it's not working, you can tap here to change it, right? So okay, we are going to add this now. This is just basically how to play the game. It is very simple. There's nothing much here. And after completing any level, you are going to be getting $1 for completing. You can see, right? So before you drop anyone, make sure you check. Let's say check something like, if I drop it here now, I am not winning anything. If I drop it here, it cannot match. You can see if I drop it here, it's not going to match. But if you drop it here, look at this, then you tap on it. This is what basically how to play the game. It is basically simple. There's nothing. Okay, can you see this now? You drop it here. This is how to play the game, right? There's nothing hard there. Okay. So this is how to play the game. I believe you all know how to play the game now. This is the first way to earn. The second way to earn on this particular app is this. This you can play game here and you can earn money, and as well you can as well go live. So whenever you go live on this app for 2 hours, you're going to be getting $1. Okay. So you can as well go live to earn money. Maybe if you cannot play this game, but this game is kind of simple. Yeah, so if you cannot play the game, you can go live. So how do you go live? You tap on this particular section. You can see here they said create a room. That is what going live is all about. Tap on this create a room, and once you create a room, you are going to enter a particular live. So you can just click it. Taught you guys how to make money. The first way is play game, which is very simple. The second way is by tapping on this second button after this game. We tap on create room. You create a room and go live for 2 hours and make $1. The third way to earn, which is basically one of the ways a lot of people are using to cash out on this particular app, is called this invite section. You can see this invite section. So if you have WhatsApp groups, or you can post on Facebook, you have friends and family, if you refer them on this particular app, you're going to make money. Now, before, I think 2 days ago, you earn $1 for inviting a friend, but now they just reduced it to 6,000 diamond, and that 6,000 diamond, that is 0.6 cents. So you need 2 persons to get $1.2, right? So you can earn money by inviting friends. Look at this, earn money by inviting friends. But now this is one thing I need you to take note of. You can invite friends and not earn at all. So how to make sure that you invite friends and earn? This is just basically what you need to do. Firstly, copy your invitation link. Make sure you send them your link, and they download the app using your link, which is one. The second way to earn on Gemgala is once they register, make sure tell them that they sign up with Google and Google only. Do you understand? And now the third way to get this 6k referral bonuses, make sure that they verify their profile, which is what I talked about. By this, doing your face verification, adding a personal signature, and binding their email in this account section. Now once they do all of these things, make sure they at least play a game for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before exiting the app. Do you understand? Without them playing game for like 10 minutes to confirm that they are real people, you are not going to earn anything. And sometimes it might be crazy because this app has become more strict now. So at least make sure they play game for like 5 to 10 or 20 minutes before exiting the particular app. So you earn money by inviting friends. If you have friends and family, you want them to join this app, you can invite them and earn money. So now once you invite a friend, you are going to be earning 0.6 cents. I think I've said this before. So you need 2 friends to earn $1.2. Now your friends might sign up, and even after doing their invitation and all of that, like after doing their face verification, you might not earn up to this 6k diamond that they're giving. You might get like 4k diamond. Do you understand? That's your basically. Sometimes you might get 0.4 cents. Sometimes you might get 0.2 cents. So you just need to like keep on referring friends, play game, go live to like stack up your money and make a withdrawal. Now, how can you withdraw from this particular app?
So this is how to withdraw from this platform. You go over to your profile, you tap on your diamond, the one with the green, not your coin balance, and it's going to open up something like this for you. Now this is my main account and I have $10 already. Just tap on the withdraw button and it's going to take you to this next interface, right? Now as you can see, the withdraw button, which is shining green here, that this arrow is pointing at, is activated. So you just tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, and boom, you're going to see something like this, and then now you are being told that apply successfully. $10 is being transferred to your Meta wallet. Now this is one thing that you need to take note of. Now I made this withdrawal on the 29th April, yeah, and now like you said, it is being transferred to your Meta wallet, not your main bank account. So the app is going to review your withdrawal for 24 hours, and afterwards the amount is going to be transferred to your Meta wallet, which you can now withdraw from. Okay, so when I played this withdraw on the 29th, it was credited to my Meta wallet on the 30th. So on the 30th, I came back and I saw this message telling me that withdrawal successful. Okay, and I tap on view. Now you can see that the $10 has been added to my Meta wallet. All you just need to do is tap on this cash out. Now this thing is one thing I want you to know about this app. You can withdraw with your USDT, AP, or your local bank account. So once I tapped on cash out, you can see this USDT. Now this one thing you need to take note of. If you want to withdraw with USDT withdrawal fee is very, very high in this particular app. It is $1.55, which is like almost $2. I'll show you guys what I'm actually talking about when I said USDT is very high. So if you want to try to withdraw with ePay, this is the fee here. This place that this arrow is pointing at is just 30 cents. They are going to be removing 30 cents from your money. Okay, so actually I've not tried to withdraw with ePay before in this particular platform. Now if you want to try to withdraw to your local bank account, your bank card, you can see the withdrawal fee is 90 cents. So ePay is literally the cheapest. But now this thing is one thing that I needed to take note of. If you withdraw with USDT, you're going to get your money ASAP. But if you withdraw with bank card, which is your local bank account, it is going to take 24 hours to reflect. If you withdraw with ePay, I don't know because I've not actually tried to withdraw with ePay actually. So for this particular one, I made use of bank card, and once you tap on withdraw, they're going to ask you to input your payment password. Now because this is not the first time I am withdrawing from this particular platform, I've already said that. So I'm just going to like add my 6-digit password, and then I'll have to wait for like 24 hours to get it because I withdrew this one using my UBA bank account, and as you can see they said completed, estimated arrival time within 7 working days. But actually it did not take me up to 7 working days to get my money, right? So now you can confirm the date and time. When I finally withdrew was on the 30th of April, and as you can see this video was posted on the 1st of May. So around 11:21 Nigerian time I got the email, and yeah, this is basically the alert form. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a thank you in the comment section. Now if you're looking for ways to make money through all of these dating apps, then I would recommend you to watch this particular video that you're seeing on the right hand side of your screen right now, because trust me, you don't really want to miss out on that app. That app is going to pay you just for literally doing nothing, and you get paid $1 or more per day of doing your daily life tasks on this particular app. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.